third grade. It's time for project 2. Well, 2. So today we're going to be making, let me find it, hot tea or coffee. This is 3-dimensional coffee mug, okay? So how we're going to start, I'm going to show you. You're going to first get a white piece of paper and some markers. You're going to make a line, not quite in the middle. So like this right here would be the middle. So I'm going to go a little bit closer to the bottom. And that's going to be my table for my mug to sit on. Now, you're going to add designs to this. Now you can add whatever you want, but you want to make sure your table and your wall, which is up here above your line, is a different design. So you could do like stripes. You could do something like this up here. We're going to pretend like I'm taking my time and making this look like the most beautiful thing you've ever seen, even though I'm being super fast. This is kind of like a checkerboard pattern up here, right? That's my wall. And then my table, let's say we'll do flowers, okay? We'll do some flowers. Now, if this was my actual project, I wouldn't be doing this as fast as I am because I would need it to look absolutely perfect. But since I'm just doing a quick demonstration, you get the gist. Different design up here than down here, okay? Now, our background is done. I'm going to put this off to the side, and we are going to make our mug. So you're going to get whatever color paper you want for your mug, and you are going to cut it to however high you want your mug to be. So we're going to cut it long ways. So I think about here. That's a tallish mug, right? Doesn't have to be perfect. We have something like this. Now we're going to, I'm going to show you. Let me see. See when I fold it up like this? So that's a really like sticky outy mug. So I'm going to cut a little bit off the edge actually. And we're going to fold the ends like this. Just a little fold on each end going the same direction. So both of these folds are going the same direction. Now when we put this on our paper, we're going to bend it. Glue is going to go right here, and then we will stick it to our paper like this, okay? But first, we need to decorate it. You can put whatever you would like on your mug. So you can add designs, you can write your name, you can draw a puppy on it, you can put a cat, you can do whatever you want to do as long as it's school appropriate, right? I'm going to do a cat. I don't know why. And then I'll do a cloud, do some clouds and some grass. So, it's an outside cat. So there's my mug. Once you have this, you're going to get your background paper back, and you are going to glue this on. Now, remember how I said where the glue goes? We're going to put glue stick on this fold, like this, okay? And same place on the other side. So we have glue here and here. Now, you are going to bend it, don't fold it, bend and stick. Now you're going to need to hold this here for a minute. It's not just going to stick right away. You're going to need to give it a minute. Okay, so if it comes off, don't be alarmed. Everything is fine. So now I have my mug on my paper, right? It might come off, it's okay. But what else does a mug have? Like a mug of coffee or tea. We need some way to hold it, right? So it needs a handle. So with your extra paper, you're gonna cut just a little skinny strip, and you're gonna kind of do the same process that you did with your mug. So you're gonna fold and fold. So you have this guy, okay? And then you're gonna glue again. Put glue on these little tabs. Then you're gonna stick this on one side of your mug. So, stick and stick. See, told you, it might come off. It's all right. Everything is fine. It's okay. Just gotta hold it there. Maybe count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we can even add a little bit more glue, because sometimes we don't get as much glue as we think we did. We're just gonna hold this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it may come off. It's okay. We'll just glue it back on. Okay? So right now we have this. So this is our mug of coffee or tea. Now, the last step is to get one singular cotton ball. You're going to disassemble it. So you're just going to pull it apart. I promise you one cotton ball will be enough, because you can tear it apart until the cows come home. And then you're going to, sticking my fingers because I have glue on my fingers. You are going to glue this to your background like it is steam coming off of your drink. I guess it could be hot chocolate too, right? So you're just gonna glue this onto your paper. If I can get it to stick to the paper and not me, that would be great. But it's just being sticky. Blah. So that is our final result. Now, that was my super quick one. This is the one that I took my time on. So this is more of what we want to see, right? So table, different design than the wall behind your table. You have your three-dimensional mug with your handle, and then you have your steam coming from your mug. Okay? Have fun, you guys. Bye.